In this video, you will see about data validation in Excel. So data validation in Excel helps to restrict users to enter certain values or certain type of data in the cell. So with the help of this feature, you can control what type of data to be entered into a particular cell. Let's understand this better with the help of an example. Let's set up a validation rule that restricts users to enter only 3-digit numbers in the selected cells. We will select few cells and we will apply rule in these selected cells. So what will happen after we validate the cells? If you will enter any number other than a 3-digit number, then Excel will show an error message. Let's see how this works. So we have already selected the cells. Now go to Data tab. In Data Tools group, click the Data Validation button. On the Settings tab, we will enter the criteria according to our needs. We will allow whole number. Then here, between, we will set 100 as minimum and 999 as maximum value. And now we will add an input message. Go to Input Message tab. If someone enter anything other than a 3-digit number, then a message will pop up and will inform what to be entered here. Let's add title here. And now we will type a message here. And OK. Now let's enter some numbers. So the cells are accepting 3-digit numbers. Now let's enter a different number other than 3-digit number. Say 2000. See, there is an error message saying to enter a 3-digit number. So in this way, you can also restrict the cell to accept only date, only time, or you can also restrict the length of the text. Now we will create a data validation drop-down list. It will restrict the cell to pick data from the drop-down list. So to add a drop-down list of items to cells, select the cells, go to Data tab, then Data Validation. Here on the Settings tab, select List. And here in the source box, type the items of your list. So now what you want to limit the user input to 3 choices: male, female, other. So we have these 3 items in our list. So the user can only select one item from these 3 mentioned items only. And click OK. Here you can see the arrow. Select any one. Now we will enter something else. So here we got an error message. So in this video you saw how to do data validation in Excel. So with the help of this you can easily control what is to be entered into the cells. Thank you.